Hello, adventurers. I'm Mallow, your guide. We're going on a sweet journey. Ready to explore? Hold on. We're zooming into Candy Kingdom. Look at the vibrant colors. Sweet surprises everywhere. Lollipop trees and cotton candy clouds float by. Look, a chocolate river. It winds through sprinkles, leading us deeper. Can you taste it? Who's peeking from the gingerbread house? It's Gummy Gus, waving hello. He loves hide and seek. Our journey takes us to Sugar Plum Castle, sparkling with crystals and a cherry. The sweetest castle. Inside, jelly bean rooms and peppermint hallways. Every corner holds a new discovery. Suddenly, rainbow sprinkles fall, making everything magical. Sweet, colorful rain for us. What an adventure in Candy Kingdom. Sweet sights and friendly faces. A treat for our eyes and imaginations. Enjoyed our journey? Imagine sweet dreams. Until next time, stay sweet.